Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the error module not found named Tensorflow. So first of all, you'll need to have Visual Studio Code installed, and after that, you'll go to Terminal, New Terminal, give it a little time, and we will type. I've just put a simple code over here. So we will type install Tensorflow So here we have it. It's already installing. Just give it time till it goes to the end, as we can see. And if you have any error like red like error, then you will need to use 3.8 or 3.11 version because it works better. Wait till it's completed and it will get started. Your code will work and you can run the code over here in the play button. If this video has helped you, please hit the like and subscribe button so we can see you in our next video. Thank you!